In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a reverse fly on one of these exercise balls. Now, if you're looking for the variation of this exercise where you're on your front, so the ball's in contact with your stomach and you're in a prone position, then I've done that in a separate video. I'm going to be in more of an upright position when I do this demonstration. So we're going to be working the backs of the shoulders and also in between the shoulder blades when we do our reverse fly. So firstly, you've got the weights in front of you. Especially if you've got heavy weights, what you don't want to do is arch your back and pick the weights up. So I'm going to stand up, I'm going to have a nice straight back when I pick the weights up. Once I've picked the weights up, take a little look at where your exercise ball is. And I've started off here with the dumbbells in contact with my knees. Now firstly, once I've brought my arms straight, there's two things that I want to do. Firstly, bring the feet together. And secondly, I'm going to lean forwards. And as I lean forwards, I'm trying to keep a nice straight back. Now in this position, I'm going to bring the weights directly away from the midline of my body, keeping that straight back as I do so. So each time I'm doing this, I'm trying to squeeze my shoulder blades, come directly out away from the body. And once I've done my repetitions, I can then come back into my upright seated position. So let's go through that again. You've got the weights at your sides. I'm going to come into a position where my feet are narrower than hip width apart. Lean forwards, nice and upright with the back. As you come up, shoulder blades together. Repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how you do a reverse fly on an exercise ball.